Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. Today I gonna show you how to make active popcorn in oven. It's very easy. I have bought this popcorn. It's specially for micro oven. It's not for any kind of cooker and all. It's specially for micro oven. And here yellow color indicates it's a basement where you gonna keep your popcorn, and yellow color indicates you should keep your popcorn vertically downward direction. Now I gonna set my timing. I'll keep to max and timings nearly to 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes, and my oven is Whirlpool. Now I gonna start. It will nearly takes 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes. Then it will begin to popping off. You can see the blowing of popcorn. Slightly gonna blow up. Half is almost ready. We'll wait for few more minutes. It's almost done. I think it's fully blown off. Yeah, and it's ready guys now. You can see how it really looks like. Now I gonna open my popcorn. It's loaded up fully and ready to be served. I will show by removing it. You can see guys, that's it. It's done. Hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.